Welcome dear students once again in this English session, and today we are here with the chapter number 5, the 100 races part 1. This is unit number 5, and also in unit number 6 you will find the sequence of this chapter only, that is the 100 races 2. Although we are done with the explanation under the title before you read, you have read the text, have also listened to it many a time, and also have watched the videos. And I'm sure we have discussed the things in detail also. But today we will again discuss the thing word to word explanation. And I would expect you all to interact and be very proactive in the session. Right, dear students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
So without wasting time, we will directly start with the next part. That is the page number 64. Are you there ready with your textbook open?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Uda, would you like to read the first para?
Yes, sir. I'll read it. Today, Wanda Petronsky was not in her seat, but nobody, not even Peggy and Madeleine, the girls who started all the fun, noticed her absence. Usually, Wanda sat in the seat next to the last seat in the last row in room 13. She sat in the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not make good marks sat, the corner of the room where there was most scuffling of feet, most roars of laughter when anything funny was said, and most mud and dirt on the floor.
Thank you, Uda. So here we come to know today. Today means that day when the author is mentioning about the story. And it was what day it was today?
Monday.
Very good. And what is in fact today? What day?
Monday only. Sorry.
That
Friday.
Oh,
day.
today.
Friday.
Yes. Today it is Friday. How many days are in a week?
7.
7.
Sir, 7.
7 days.
Okay. Japneet, what are they?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Excellent girl. And what is special today?
गांधी जयंती.
It's Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi
Gandhi Jayanti.
Jayanti.
2nd October.
Yeah. Where was he born?
Sorry, sir, your voice was not clear.
Sabarmati.
Sabarmati.
Where was he born?
Sabar.
Sir, you're not audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Porbandar. Where?
Porbandar.
Porbandar.
Yes, yes, students. Where?
Porbandar.
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 What year? Very good. And what is his full name?
मोहनदास
Mohandas
करमचंद
Karamchand
Mohandas
Gandhi.
Karamchand
गांधी.
Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
I think next
Sir, your voice is breaking.
time onward I should. Very good. His full name was. What is the meaning of Mahatma?
Great person.
Mahatma.
The great.
Good
Mahan
soul.
Atma, the
Great
one
person.
pure soul.
Great soul.
Yes, Mahatma means great soul.
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, you are not audible.
Yes,
Sir, actually, you were not
Yes, sir.
audible
Your voice was
previously.
okay.
breaking.
So the question was, what is this year being observed? What is the number of this year that is being observed, as its birth anniversary? 50th, 51st, 110,
151.
100 and
151.
151.
right. 150 years have been passed, isn't it? Good. So that was the thing that I wanted to share with you. And dear students, if I forget, you please remind me. I'm going to share with you a movie, about Mahatma Gandhi. You please watch it as and when possible. I will share with you the link. Right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, we will not go much in depth, but you may also search more about Mahatma Gandhi on Wikipedia. Okay, so that's it. So today, that was Monday, and Wanda Patronsky was not in her seat. One of the students in the class was not there in the class where she was usually found. But nobody, if not even Peggy and Madeline, the girls who started all the fun, noticed her absence. And dear students, those girls who started all the fun with her, even they did not realize that Wanda Patronsky was not there. What is the reason, dear students? When do we not notice someone in the class? And whom do we notice the moment we enter the class? Please be responsive. Yes?
The
Ravi
teacher.
The
Sir,
person sitting on the first bench of the class.
The most
so pick one
talkative
character.
person.
Yes. Okay, you can name someone in the class. Whom do you miss the moment you find that he or she is not in the class? You can name, no problem. Yes.
Means I didn't understand the question, sir. Can you
Question
repeat
is,
it?
as nobody noticed Wanda in the class, so you can name a person also. Whom do you notice as soon as you enter the class? I said, whom do you notice that he or she is not in the class? Of course, they are your best friends. Whoever are your best friends, you really realize, or your, bench mate, we can say, with whom you sit usually. If he is not there, of course, we come to know he or she is not there. But whom do we not notice? Someone sitting, in the corners somewhere. We don't even realize that he or she is not in the class. And of course, as you told, that the most talkative person, student, either he or she, is easily noticed that how quiet is the class today. It means he or she is not there. Right, dear students? And teachers,
Yes,
they
sir.
really notice those children, those who are most intelligent, always answering the question and asking the queries. They are remembered always and missed. And the ones who are always troubling and disturbing the class. Those, neither they answer nor they disturb are rarely remembered. So what kind of wonder is, let's see. And here two names you please remember, Peggy and Madeline. I know that there is no need of explanation from my side. We have already gone through everything well with the help of video, reading it, listening to it and all. But let's try to find some more things that we can, correlate with our day-to-day life. So those girls also, Peggy and Madeline, you will find that Madeline is later called Maddie. And they also did not know. What was the reason? Let's see. Usually Wanda sat in the seat next to the last seat in the last row in room 13. And their classroom is room number 13. Please remember it. These are some highlighted and keywords. If possible, you please highlight these words in your textbook. So what are the words you think should be highlighted here in this para? Anybody? So that when the time comes that you want to know everything from the text, but you have a very short of time, it helps you. So
Wanda
what are the words?
Petronsky, class 13.
Corner of the room.
Yes, absolutely. Today, Monday, Wanda Petronsky. These three words are to be highlighted. Okay. Then Peggy and Madeline. Then last corner. Then room 13. So these are some important words till here we should highlight. And then there are some other, mud, laughter. It gives you thorough idea using this keyword. Dear students, when you are writing something, in the examination, be it your answer or be it any writing skill, you should firstly think of keywords. Yes, this is my answer. These are the words mandatorily should be there in the answer. And you please then make them in a proper sequence. This word should be there in the first para, then secondly this one. You can, if possible, mention in the question paper with pencil, but you are not allowed. It should not be visible to anyone. Otherwise, it's very easy, to just think in mind, keeping in mind those proper words in a proper sequence and writing accordingly. It really helps you scoring higher marks than others. So what do we know till this time? Anybody wanted to share? We have not said anything today. You please say something.
Sir, could you please repeat?
Please give us just a brief account of this para we are done with.
So it was Monday, and Wanda Petronsky was not there. She was absent, and her classmates Peggy and Madeline did not notice her absence. Wanda sat in the last seat, or in the last row of room number 13. She sat in the corner of the room, and the room was, and the place where she sat was dirty.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Reha. And then what happened? Let's see. She sat in the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not make good marks sat. The corner of the room where there was most sculpting of feet, most roars of laughter when anything funny was said, and most mud and dirt on the floor. You have also noticed that those who are not much interested in studies and they sit together, the friends. They choose the last corner where the teacher cannot reach immediately, and they just try to avoid the attention of the teacher and also others, and then the communication between them only takes place. But it happened something strange, that they burst into a laughter, and then everybody noticed that they are there and making some noise and trying to disturb the others. They only then they are noticed. Otherwise, they are never to answer any question. They are never to write the notes and complete them on time. So such kinds of children are called rough boys, especially boys. They are more in number in such cases. And so this is the word rough boys used. And just next to that last row, in the last seat, Wanda was sitting. And so nobody could notice. And how is the place described? That it was the most sculpting of wit. There it was. There were the roars of laughter, and it was there the mud and dirt on the floor. You know why? Because those children, they must not have taken care. For example, if they were out on the ground playing some games, they were not bothered to go and clean their hands, clean their feet. As they were there on the ground, they simply went to the classroom and sat there. And that was the reason that there was mud and dirt on the floor. Right, dear students? Any doubt? Be responsible so that, I find good. Next para. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. Hey, what do you understand from this statement? Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. Anybody?
Her reason for sitting there was not that she was rough and noisy. She was quiet.
Please. Yeah, very good. So Wanda did not sit there, but hey, Khushi, here it is mentioned did not sit there. And in the first para it is mentioned that she sat there. What do you understand? So
She sat
yeah,
there, but she was not rough and noisy.
yeah, that's what here this sentence we should understand as. Otherwise, we think that this is a confusion. That firstly, it is mentioned that she sat there, and in the very second para, the first line only, it is mentioned that she did not sat there. The student, she sat there, but she was not rough and noisy. She was quiet all the time, not saying a word, and not at all there was a laughter from her side. So on the contrary, she was very quiet and rarely said anything at all, and nobody had ever heard her laugh out loud. Sometimes she twisted her mouth into a crooked sort of smile, but that was all. Like if there is something and one must smile, she used to hide her smile also. Dear students, this is called inferiority complex or superiority complex. What's it? Do you know the complex?
Inferiority.
Inferiority.
Yes. She was afraid that if someone troubles, if it happens with a child, that for his or her behavior, for his or her appearance, for his or her way of talking, if someone points out once also, then they always hesitate to say something. They always hesitate to do anything, and they always think from others' point of view. They try to look at themselves from others' point of view. They never try to understand themselves, and it makes trouble for the children. And that's what had happened with Wanda Patronsky. Then nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat in that seat, unless it was because she came all the way from Bogan Heights and her feet were usually caked with dry mud. But no one really thought much about Wanda Patronsky once she sat in the corner of the room. And they firstly just thought that she came from Bogan Heights. We will come to know later about this area, how it was. And that is the reason, according to the other students, other children, that she was sitting in that corner. They never wanted to know the other reason. And that's what they understood, that she sat in that corner of the room. Right? And nobody was really, much interested in her, since she was not at all talkative. She had no friends and was, of course, all alone in the room, not even saying a word to anybody. Right? Now here is Shruti Bhujbal reading the next para. Shruti, I think I should awake you now and then. I found very few children, four or five, always saying something, answering. Otherwise, rest of the class just click on the link, muted, turn off the camera. Mobile is somewhere, they are somewhere, just going on. Teacher is teaching. Those who are interested in learning are learning. Those who are not, taking rest or doing something.
No, sir,
Shruti, you are
I'm
saying
there.
something. Yes, you are there, I know. That's why I told you to read the next paragraph.
The time when they thought about Wanda was outside of the school hours at noon time when they were coming back to the school or in the morning early before school began, when groups of two or three or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the open schoolyard.
Yes. There is open school ad mentioned in the text or just way to the schoolyard.
No, sir, schoolyard.
Good. So dear students, it was the only time. What time do you think this is described? What is this time? Anybody? If you remember now, what is that time described there? You can easily
Noon time.
understand.
Noon time.
No, I don't know. No, as far as school is concerned, what is that time? English period, mathematics period, lunch break, before
Lunch
assembly
break.
time, after
Lunch
school
break.
gets over,
Lunch,
what day?
lunch
Lunch
break.
break.
Lunch break.
Either it is a
Outside
short
school
break,
hours.
yes, during school hours, but when? During the break, during the recess. Means when the children can come together and talk, it was the only time. They used to remember her that where is she, isn't it? Otherwise, when there was class going on continuously, they were never bothered because they had nothing to do with Wanda. Then what was the thing that they tried to find out her only during the recess, only during the breaks when they could go and talk and laugh. So what do you think might be the reason of this? Were they really interested in her to have a talk and to enjoy her company, or there was some other reason?
Other reason.
No, sir.
Other reason.
They
They
used to
wanted to
bully
make
her.
fun of her.
Yes, the reason was they wanted to fun, and they wanted to make fun of her. They wanted to have a talk with her about, because she was wearing the same clothes every day. Everything will be disclosed as you already know, but I don't want to discuss these things in this time. So then sometimes they waited for Wanda to have fun with her, and that is the answer given here, to have fun with her. So here it is given that to have fun with her. But according to them, according to Peggy and Maddie, they were having fun with her. But later and they also realized, especially Maddie, that they were not having fun with her, but they were making fun of her. So the next day, what is the next day when it was Monday today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Good.
Tuesday.
Om Ran Singh, would you like to read the next paragraph? Om Ran Singh, Om Nayyar, Janvi Bhatia,
Sir, shall I?
Janvi. Okay, Ayush, you can. I think they are sleeping. Just keeping their names are there, especially Janvi is there, but she is not saying anything. Okay, Ayush, you can.
The next day, Tuesday, Wanda was not in school either, and nobody noticed her absence again. But on
Yes.
Wednesday,
Just a minute, Ayush. Even the next day, it also went the same way, but nobody noticed that she was not in the school. Then what is the following day after Tuesday? Ayush Mutha?
Wednesday.
Okay, you read please.
But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other
Ayush,
children who.
Ayush,
Yes, sir.
read the word again. Wednesday
Which
or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Can anyone help? It is Wednesday or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Okay, now I am saying, are your captions on, dear students? Captions on? You please
Yes,
keep
sir.
it always on so that even if you are I am not audible or someone is not audible to you, you will be able to get it on the screen. So Ayush, you please say Wednesday once and Wednesday secondly. Let's see what it comes.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Yes, both the time it comes now. By the way, but you say Wednesday, no? Don't say Wednesday. Good. Continue from the beginning.
But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who didn't track in the whole lot of mud, did not did notice that wasn't there. Peggy was the most popular girl in school. She was pretty. She had many pretty clothes and her hair was curly. Maddie was her closest friend. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Vanda's absence was because Vanda had made them late to school. They had waited and waited for Vanda to have some fun with her, and she just hadn't come.
They often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. Very good. So this is the description about Peggy and Maddie. Would anybody like to share without reading? Just tell us about Peggy first and then Maddie. Yes,
Sir,
please.
may I?
Yeah.
Peggy was a very beautiful girl. She wore nice clothes and she always got good marks in the class.
And where was she sitting?
She was sitting in front with other children who got good marks.
Very good. And who was her friend?
Maddie was her close friend.
Why? Because Peggy was the most popular girl in the school, and everybody, who is pretty and who wears pretty clothes and is brilliant enough, would like to have such children as her friend. And so Maddie wanted to be her friend, and she had finally won her faith and became her closest friend. Right? So, do you think who is cleverer, Peggy or Maddie? Who
Maddie.
is cleverer?
Maddie.
Maggie.
Maddie.
Maggie.
Maddie.
Maddie is cleverer. Cleverer, I'm saying.
Peggy is clever.
Okay, who is bothered? Who is concerned about whose friendship? Who wants to be whose
Maddie
friend?
is concerned.
Maddie is
Maddie
concerned.
wants to be the friend
Yes,
of
Maddie is
Peggy.
concerned about the friendship with
Maddie is
Peggy
concerned.
Why? Why?
because due to Peggy, she also got popularity like Peggy.
Very good. So, who is cleverer than whom?
Peggy
Peggy is
is
clever
clever
than
than Maddie.
Peggy is
Peggy is
cleverer
clever
than
than
Maddie.
Peggy is
Yes,
clever than
very good. Absolutely. And so, who is follower of whom? Yes, Maddie is follower, we can say, even being a closest friend, but she never wanted that she should lose her friendship. And so she always used to follow her instructions, follow her in every way, so that it should remain their friendship closer to each other. Right? That you will realize later. She's just thinking, but never dare to say something to Peggy. You will come across in the next few paragraphs. And then on Wednesday, they realized that Wanda was not there. And what was the reason, dear students? The reason was second last line from page number 64. Who is there answering this question?
May I?
So may I answer?
Okay, let Ayush and then Gauri Bhargava.
Sir, because of Wanda Petronsky, Maddie and Peggy got late to the school as she was absent that day, and they were waiting for her before the school to make fun of her. And she remained absent, so they got late to the school.
Gauri.
They wanted to have fun with Wanda, so they waited for her before the school began. But she did not came, and they waited and waited, but got late due to her.
Dear students, please make it very clear. This incident took place on Wednesday or some days before, some days ago. When did this incident happen that Maddie and Peggy were late going to school?
So
When
the
did it
next
happen?
day,
On Wednesday or some days before?
on Wednesday.
No,
On Wednesday.
no, dear students. No. I'm reading it again. You please listen to me very carefully, dear students, again. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who did not track in a whole lot of mud, did notice that Wanda wasn't there. Peggy was the most popular girl in school. She was pretty, she had many pretty clothes, and her hair was curly. Maddie was her closest friend. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. I am reading again, dear students. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. They had waited and waited for Wanda to have some fun with her, and she just had not come. They often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. Yes, dear students? Now you please tell me, was it the first time that they were late to school because of Wanda?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
Then was it the day?
Situation that they often waited for.
Yes. So you please answer that question that they were late on Wednesday because of Wanda, and so they noticed Wanda's absence, or they were late some days ago because of Wanda, and it was Wednesday. Again, they were late because of Wanda. What's the truth?
So it was some other day.
When they-
Some other day.
And again, it was
Other day,
Wednesday
sir.
when they got late.
Yes. It was their usual, habit that they were waiting for Wanda to come. They used to make fun with her, and during that time, they used to be late going to school. But on Monday, they did not notice her absence, nor on Tuesday. But on Wednesday, they again waited for her. They were not bothered on Monday and Tuesday. Even they did not notice her, nor they had waited for Wanda to come on Monday and Tuesday. Otherwise, they could have noticed it on Monday only, that hey, we waited for her, but we did not find her in the class also. On Tuesday also, they could have done the same. But Monday and Tuesday went without noticing her. But on Wednesday, they noticed by waiting for Wanda to come, but finally, she did not come. And why do they, notice her? Because it had happened earlier also that they were late because of Wanda going to school. And so they had waited and waited for Wanda to have some fun with her, and she had just not come. They often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. So let's now check your comprehension, oral comprehension, with question number 1. Where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? No chorus answers. I would like here Sahil Galande to answer this question. Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Please answer this question number 1. Where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? Sahil, you please think of it. Meanwhile, I would like to draw your attention to grammar topic, dear students. Here, the same sentence. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. What is this tense, dear students? Wanda had made them late to school. What is this tense?
Because of Wanda, they were late to school.
Ten. Grammar topic, 10.
Past tense.
Wanda had made them late to school. Yes? Past tense. But there are subtypes.
Past
Indefinite past, that is simple past,
Past perfect.
continuous past, past perfect.
Past perfect.
Past perfect.
Very good. It is the past perfect tense. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just trying to get here whiteboard so that I could explain. And this tense, dear students, the beginning, the reason Peggy and Maddie noticed her absence. What is this tense? Come on, hurry up, dear students. You please join this board.
Past tense.
Simple past.
Yes, simple past. Very good. Are you able to see there on the screen the whiteboard?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
You please join
Sir,
it.
it is
Only
Sir, it's a application. We need to install it.
it asks you to. Hey, here is Shanish Raja drawing something now. I have given him access.
Sir, I also joined.
Sir,
Yes, then I say, yes, Neha, you have joined. Moksham has joined.
So should we install that application?
Okay, let this be. If not required, we will see in future. Today you are not able to access it now.
No, sir, I did not install it.
No,
So
sir.
I asked for a permission.
Okay,
Sir,
let
it
it
is
be.
not need
Let
to
it be
install.
then. No, when it. Kushal, no need to install anything. Am I audible, dear students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, the voice was
Yes,
cutting.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, there are two SIM cards na, in a mobile phone. So when I'm receiving call on another, the net gets disconnected. By the way, you are all getting me well now. Okay, without using whiteboard, I would like to explain this. So as you told me, dear students, that Wanda had made them late to school is past perfect. And the reason Peggy and Maddie noticed, it is simple past, that is past indefinite. Right, dear students, you got it now? Now I want to draw your attention to when two sentences, one in simple past and another in past perfect, are given in the sentence describing two situations, two circumstances. Which is the one comes first, following the other? We have studied this in class 8. I was not teaching you, but somebody might not know. Yes? Dear students, are you all there listening to me?
Yes, sir. Can you please repeat
Yes.
once?
The question is, when two sentences are given, one is in simple past and another one in past perfect, given together, what is that? The first took place and which is the one taken place secondly, what are their tenses? In another easier language, I would say, the sentence in simple past
Sir,
occurred first or the sentence in past perfect occurred first?
Sim
I would like to give you another
Past
example.
perfect will occur
Sentence.
first
Past
and simple
perfect.
past
Simple past
The
perfect will
second
occur first.
sentence occurred
The
first and the
simple
first
past.
one occurred later.
No, say tense wise. Past perfect took place first or simple past?
Past perfect took
Past
place
perfect.
first
past
Simple past.
and
I
simple past
remember
later.
in class 8 you had studied about the train. I reached the station, the train had left, right? I reached the railway station, the train had left. Which incident took place first? Reaching the
The
station
train
first
left first
the
or
and
train
then
had
leaving of the
Train
train
left
first?
Train
first,
left
then
first.
leaving of
station.
So the
train
train
had
left
took
first.
place first
Very
and
good,
then
very good.
he reached
So
the
brilliant
station.
student, really. I'm always surprised, dear students. What am I for? I never find myself that I should teach you something. You know everything already. But I'm worried about other students because, they are never answering any question. Dear students, those who have not answered any of these questions, you please let me know. Do you really know this or do you want me to explain in detail? Say something. Achal, you understood? Siddhi, Khushi Grover, Ishwari Jadhav.
Yes, sir.
Would you like me to
Yes,
take
sir.
your names or you would come yourself saying that, sir, please, I have not understood, you please explain it again. Somebody, I want, you should dare and ask. Sahil, you understood what I explained now? Simple past and past perfect.
No, sir. Can you speak in detail?
Very good boy. So first, I have to only catch those who have not understood. Okay. One sentence I'm telling. I reached the railway station. The train had left. This is another sentence. So how can we understand that reaching the railway station took place first or that leaving of the train? I will speak about structure of the sentences first for your better understanding. Okay. For rest of the students, they can easily understand with the scenario and with their understanding and comprehension of the sentence. But as far as structure is concerned, dear Sahil, you can see I reached the railway station. This is simple past. How can you identify that it is a simple past? Focus on verb. What is the verb? Reached. Are you getting, Sahil?
Yes, sir.
In that sentence, reached is a verb. Now think of the form of verb reach had. What is the form of verb it has there, Sahil? Main verb, past form of the verb, past participle form of the verb, or present participle form of the verb. What's it?
Main verb.
Reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D. Sahil, R E A C H E D is there, Sahil. I'm not good at drawing. I'm unable to write here on the screen. Where I'm not habitual, and this is keypad, not even the mouse. Are you able to see it on the screen? Reach. I have spelled it. I have spelled it there on the screen. Hello, Sahil. This is the
Can
spelling
you
R-E-A-C-H-E-D.
Yes, sir.
So this is main verb, do you think, or past form of the verb reach?
Sir,
Yes, Shreya.
can you please send the link again?
Okay. I think the access is only to them, those who have provided me the email ID and those who can join my session without asking or without waiting any longer. Or
Can you send that link again?
may I keep it open for all?
Sir, please keep it open for all.
Keep it open
Okay,
for
I'm
all.
keeping. Fine. All right.
Yeah, sir.
I had planned to finish part 1 and 2 in this session, but now only first part from the 100 dresses we are done with, and our session is going to end in 10 minutes. It really
So
takes
we
time,
need
no?
to install it.
No, those Khushi, did you install?
Yes, sir, we need to
Or
install it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. When we
sir,
click
we
on
have
the
to install
Sir,
it
on
from the
laptop
Play
it
it
will
get
Store.
be
directly
okay,
directly.
to
then
the store.
let's
Yes,
not
sir,
waste
we
much
need to
time in
install
that.
it.
Fine, fine. Let's not waste time in that. We will proceed. Sahil, have you understood? Okay, I'm telling you. Sahil, it is past from here. Reach is a main verb. To reach is an infinitive. Reached again, it is a past participle form. If it is followed or if it is following the verb have, has, had. Reaching, then it is present participle, also known as gerund. Got it here, Sahil? And as we can find it, only not following nor being followed by any auxiliary verb like have, has, had, we can understand it is a past form only. And when the verb has past participle form, past form, that is V2, in your language you can understand. Simple. Hello, Sahil,
Sir, your
Galande, and others, those who had not understood. Hmm?
Hello, sir.
Sahil, did you understand? Am I audible to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Sir, your voice was not coming last 2 minutes.
Oh, I see. Fine. So Sahil has understood now simple past. Now Sahil focus on past perfect. What is past perfect? It is similar to simple past only, but there comes a word in addition. Before verb, and what's it? Had. It is an auxiliary verb. Had. Had. If there is an auxiliary verb had followed by past participle form of the verb, it is past perfect. And when two sentences comes together following each other, the sentence in simple past occurs later than the sentence in past perfect. Understood, dear Sahil? Now, two sentences are there. The train had left and I reached the station. So the train had left is in past perfect. Means it took place. Before you reach the railway station, the train had already left the railway station. So what we can understand, you got the train or you missed the train. Sahil, if the train had left is in past perfect and you reached the railway station is in simple past, what you understand? Either you got the train or you missed the train. Sahil, if you tell me this answer right, I can understand that you have understood.
Got the train.
Sir.
No, sir. Missed the train.
Be sure. What do you think?
Missed the train.
How can you say that you missed the train? The
Sir,
train had
because
left.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sahil, say. Good. Then how you misunderstood that you got the train?
by mistakenly.
You wanted to say you missed the train, but by mistake you said you got the train. Right? Good boy.
Yes, sir.
Ayush Mota, you wanted to say something. What were you saying?
No, sir.
Or you wanted to answer that question? Right? Fine. So let's ask again to Sahil Galande to answer this question. Sahil, you please answer this question from oral comprehension check. Where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why?
Sir, can you read again?
Isn't the textbook open with you? Sahil. Okay, you can read from the screen. There it is. I'm just sharing with you. Can you see it now? Many students are answering very well, correctly. Sahil, be active here. Don't take very much time. The question is, where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? I am highlighting the answer here.
Wananda used to sit in the seat next to the last seat in the last row in room 13. She sat there because her feet were normally caked with dry mud and very dirty.
Okay, and why was she sitting there?
Avoid to being laughed at by her classmates.
Yes. And she was very poor, shy, and quiet girl and did not want to mess with others, so she preferred to sit in isolation. That was in the corner. Very good, Kushishani. Good answer. Now, next question. Question number 2. Where does Wanda live? What kind of a place do you think it is? Okay, anybody spontaneously can answer it. Hurry up.
So may I answer?
Yes, please. Ayush More.
So the place where Wanda used to live, maybe outside the city or in the countryside, because
Yes,
as
it
it
is
is
never
mentioned that,
it is not given in the text, but we have to understand. And
yeah,
you know, the
from the
name
text
of the
that,
place is given. Name of the place is given, but what kind of a place do you think it is? You have to answer it yourself.
so
Shreya, you can answer now.
okay,
Ayush, we got you.
okay, sir.
Shreya.
Wanda lived in a place called Boggins Height. It was
Good.
not a well-developed place, and it was mostly a slum area. And
Good. We get some reference, and based on that, you have tried to answer it. Very good, Shreya. Now the next question, number 3. When and why do Peggy and Maggie notice Wanda's absence? Anybody? Yes?
Sir, may I? Sir, may I?
Yes, Swastik, you can.
Sir, on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie noticed that Wanda was missing.
Why?
Sir, they had been waiting for her outside the school, and before the school began. As she did not come, they even got late for the school.
Yes. And did it happen once only or very often? Before also?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat?
Did it happen only once or very often before also?
Sir, very often.
Very good. The next question is question number 4. What do you think to have fun with her means? Anybody? what do you think to have fun with her means? Just want to, what do you understand when the person says, I have fun with her, or they had fun with her? What do you understand?
Sir, may I say?
Yes, Sakshi?
To have fun with her means to laugh at her, to make fun of her, and
No, no, no. To having fun with one and
Sir,
to
can I?
make fun of one,
They
they are
wanted
different.
to bring her with friendship with themselves, and they wanted to enjoy with her and make her talkative like themselves.
Yes. Achal, you can please?
Wanda was a quiet and shy girl. She was having dust
Hmm.
on her feet. The girl used to make fun of her, and they wanted that she
No,
should also
no,
have
no.
fun like them.
Hey, Achal, just we want to know the meaning of to have fun with her means. You are telling, you are right. You are telling in the context of the text, giving the thorough details. But we just want, what do you think to have fun with her means?
To play with her.
To play with her, to have fun with her, and making her like them.
Yes, yes, right, yeah, right. They were trying to enjoy her company, being talkative, asking her some questions. They would like, to play with her, and that way we can say to have fun with her. And then you can say that what way they tried to have fun with her, right? Okay. Any queries, any doubts, dear students?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
So that's it for today. Will it be okay if I'm trying to conduct today any session in the evening?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have
Before
other
what
tuition.
time? Before what time should I
So
conduct
before
if
5
it
o'clock.
happens? Okay, okay. You are already engaged, so I won't conduct. Fine, fine. But tomorrow onward, I will be little quick with explanation. I may not be able to give you much time, explaining the way I used to do or I did today. You please cooperate and do point out to me only, then and there only. That sir, we have not understood. You please be little slower, right? Fine, dear students.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it okay?
Sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir, sure.
Good, good.
Hello, sir.
So that's it for today, dear students. Thank you so much.
Ganesh, sir.
Have a great day ahead, Ba. Yes, yes. Here is Ayush.
Sir,
Wanted to say.
actually, I have send you those videos that my English project video on WhatsApp. That only I wanted to tell you. So please have a check on it.
Thank you, Ayush.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Take care. Good day, dear
Thank you,
students
sir.
ahead.
Thank you, sir.